Good morning, dear students. In last class, you have studied how to find the mean of a grouped data. In today's class, let us learn how to find the mode of a grouped data. In a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies as in ungrouped data. Now, here we can only locate a class with maximum frequency called model class. The mode is the value inside the model class. So, we are using a formula to find the mode, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the model class, H is the size of the class interval, F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is the maximum frequency in the frequency table. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is before the maximum frequency. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, means next to the maximum frequency. Okay, let us solve some example problems by using this formula. Here is an example. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in households. Find the mode of this data. Okay, here they are given class interval and number of families. To find the mode, no need to draw any extra column. We are writing first column family size as it is given in the question, and second column we are writing the number of families. Here in this frequency column 7, 8, 2, 2, 1, 8 is the maximum number. So that 8 is the maximum frequency. So the value of F1 is 8, maximum frequency. So this maximum frequency present in the class interval 3 to 5. So therefore the model class becomes 3 to 5. The maximum frequency present in the class interval 3 to 5. So model class is 3 to 5. Here 3 is the lower limit of the given class interval and 5 is the upper limit of the class interval. So lower limit of the model class L is 3. Then value of F1 maximum frequency is 8. So F1 is 8. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. So before the maximum frequency, that is 7. So F0 value is 7. And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding next to the maximum frequency, that is 2. F2 value 2. Then class size H value, that is the size of the class interval, difference between upper limit and lower limit. 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 11 minus 9. So these are equal. So that difference is the class size. So that value is 2. Now substitute all these formulas to find the mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H is equal to, so next L value 3 and F1 value 8 minus 7 F0 divided by 2F1, 2 into 8 minus F0 value 7, F2 value 2 into class size or size of the class interval H value 2. Write 3 as it is plus 8 minus 7. So we are getting 1 divided by 2 8s are 16 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. So next step 3 as it is, plus 1 divided by 16 minus 7 is 9 minus 2 into 2. 3 plus 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, this into 2. 3 plus 1 2s are 2 divided by 7. 2 by 7 is here 7, 2. So this not goes, so 0, 2.7, 2s are 14, 6, take one more 0, 7, 8s are 56, 4 remain, one more 0, 7, 5s are 35, 5 remain 0, 7, 7s are 49. 1 left. So 0.3 plus 0.2857, or here this is approximately more than 5, 7 is more than 5, so I will add 1 here. So you can write it as 3.286.